Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the fog lights or the aux lights which I have installed on my Honda Highness. So those riding the Honda Highness know how bad the headlight quality of the stock bulb is. So before buying this pair of headlights, I did a bit of thorough research as these were my first pair which I was going to invest in. So let's not waste any time and unbox it. So this is where I have put my fog lights on my Honda Highness. This is a Zana guard. These are the clamps which I had bought from Maddog bikes in Grand Road. These are the wires. There is a plug and play system. This is the non-pro switch and the wiring as well. The wiring harness is also the non-pro version. This is the other light. As you can see, the wiring is done through under the tank, and this is the battery box which holds the wiring harness and the relay switch. The entire harness is taken from under the tank, neatly done. Stock low beam, high beam.